All right, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. And my name is SAMMY.FX. I create Forex content. So if you're new, please make sure that you subscribe, hit that subscription button so that each and every time I post a video, you can be able to see it. And don't forget to turn on a notification bell because I'll be doing videos whenever I see an opportunity in the Forex market. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about something very interesting. So seeing how the market has been moving right now, the market is giving us a clear direction. We just started 2024. And what is happening in the Forex market? What's next for gold? What's next for GBPUSD, EURUSD, AUDUSD? And also, let's talk about indices. What is going to happen next? So I was just looking at my PC today and I saw some movements the market is making. I thought of creating this video so that it can be able to help you guys trade in a way that you are going to make something from the Forex market. Trade in a way that you're going to win, trade in a way that you're going to get a sniper entry from the Forex market, okay? So we are getting to the video right now. So right now in front of me here, we have, let me see, in front of me right now. In front of me right now here, we have DXY, which is dollar index. So what is happening for dollar index? As usual, you know what our strategy is all about. We analyze the market from a bigger picture, scaling down to a smaller picture, okay? So we've started analyzing the market from a weekly time frame. So we can see that the market here on a weekly time frame, it was ranging. We had the range of the market. Then whenever we have a range of the market, what we are supposed to see first is the market is supposed to break a certain zone, which is called a liquidity sweep. Then after that, it's supposed to break the direction the market is supposed to go. Okay. So we had DXY ranging. I'm sorry if my voice is not audible enough. I'm not using the mic because I'm not home right now. So next time we'll be using a mic. So yeah, DXY has been in a bullish momentum for some time, but it was ranging, okay? So we can see from here, we have this rectangle here. From here, this was a range of DXY, which is a dollar index. This was a range it was making. Then after that, we saw a liquidity sweep to the downside, which was this one. Others would call it a fake out, but this is liquidity sweep. Okay, so you have to learn about liquidity, of which we teach in our paid mentorship. The concept of liquidity is very important in the Forex market. If you don't know liquidity, then you are liquidity yourself. So the market is going to take you out because you don't know what liquidity is all about. So you have to make sure that you know what liquidity is all about, okay? So now we are talking about DXY. It was ranging, then we saw a liquidity sweep to the downside here, then a break to the upside. Now the market came to retest this level again. Now what do we see? We saw this doji candlestick. You know the patterns of candlestick that we've taught here on this YouTube channel. So when you see a doji candlestick pattern, what do you expect from the Forex market? You expect the market to do a reversal. And what is a reversal? Changing in direction, okay? So we saw this doji candlestick. Whenever I see a doji candlestick, there's no way we didn't expect this. So we expected this move here because the market here made a doji candlestick, all right? So right now, what you can see on dollar index is that dollar index is at a level that is very, very important right now. So we had this zone here, which is an order block we have. Then this order block is being respected. So if this order block is being respected, the next stop for gold for DXY right now should be here, which is 107.510. This is where it's supposed to come. But we know that the market is supposed to grab out liquidity. If you know where liquidity is, then you know where the market is supposed to go to. So we have this imbalance here. Then we have liquidity here. then we have liquidity here. I'll make a video about liquidity later on. So we have liquidity on top here, then we have liquidity here, we have liquidity there, then we have this fair value gap here. So the concept is the market is supposed to sweep out this liquidity, then comes to this fair value gap we have here. So half of the fair value gap is supposed to be filled in. The concept of fair value gap is there on this YouTube channel. Please go back and try to watch it, okay? So yeah, as I was saying that dollar index right now is at a point where is at a point of an order block right now. So this order block we have is supposed to be respected, and we can see that the market is respecting it by forming a weekly doji candlestick. That's a pure confirmation that this market is trying to respect that zone, okay? Now, since we've seen what is happening in a weekly time frame, let's scale down to daily time frame. Remember, top-down analysis is the king, okay? Top-down analysis is the king. So what do we see here? So we had this trend line here, okay? After this candlestick here, we have this trend line here that was being respected by the market. Then after that, we see this big candlestick closing above the trend line we have. And for this to close above here is another indication that this market is about to go up because it has not respected the concept of a trend line, okay? Now, there's something very interesting that we can see here. If we can see this one here and this one here, this is giving us a pure invest head and shoulders. So tomorrow we'll see how this one is going to close after closing above here. So what I'm going to wait for is for this market to break here. After the market breaks this zone here, then we have pure confirmation that this market is going up. Then, you know, guys, what happens when dollar index is going up, all the pairs which have dollar are supposed to be going down, okay? So we have GBPUSD, Euro USD, AUD These are major pairs I trade myself. So these pairs are going to be going down. Then you have, for example, USD, JPY. Those ones are going to be buying because dollar index is buying, okay? So after this market breaks here, it's a pure confirmation that this market is moving all the way up to the fair value gap I showed you in a daily time frame, okay? So this is what I expect on dollar index. Dollar index, we are expecting a move to the upside, okay? Since we are expecting a move to the downside for dollar index, then what exactly do we expect on GBPUSD, okay? So GBPUSD has been in a bullish momentum, as we can see right now. This was a bullish momentum, okay? So this was a bullish momentum. Then we saw the market breaking the trend line there. After the market broke the trend line, what do we see? We saw this liquidity sweep here. We saw this shoulder here. So this could be a potential shoulder. So making a head and shoulders. Then what do we see here? The market made a change of character. Okay. So GBPUSD, we are targeting from this zone here. GBPUSD, we are targeting this level here, which is I would be targeting this level here, which is 1.22708. This is my target. That's where we expect the GBPUSD to come to because GBPUSD is supposed to go down. Top-down analysis, if we go to weekly time frame, supposed to show us the same. All right. So look at what happened here. This market here, we are retesting this zone here, which is an order block we have. This is an order block we have in a weekly time frame because this one here, or this one here was a fake out, which is liquidity. So this one was a fake out. Then the market right now is retesting this order block we have. Okay. Order blocks, we'll make another video. I think it's there on our YouTube channel. So this is our order block we have after breaking this previous low here. Okay. So this was a change of character. So from there, you must be able to come here or all the way up to down here, okay? This is for GBPUSD. Remember, guys, if dollar index is going up, GBPUSD go down, Euro USD goes down, AUD goes down as well, okay? Then for gold, same applies to gold, guys. If we have GBPUSD going down, gold is supposed to follow as well, okay? So for gold, we have had this level that has been respected for several years, okay? For several years. This level here has been a level gold has failed to break for many years, since 2021, okay? So gold has been failing to break this level since 2020. Now, we don't see any reason why gold should break this level, because this is a level of strong 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 support level, or let me say supply zone, okay? As usual, what did we see? We saw the market sweeping out liquidity here, then coming to close below, okay? Then comes to retest here. Now the market forming this bearish candlestick, a pure sign that the market is supposed to go down. And this market, before it goes down, is supposed to balance up here. So as usual, I'm just telling you what you expect from gold. My expectations for gold is that from this zone here, we must be able to come all the way up to down here, okay? Up to this fair value gap here. That's where we are most likely to come to for God, okay? Unless we break above this line of drawn here in a weekly time frame, then we close above here, then we know that this level here has been violated. As we can see here in a weekly time frame, there is no candlestick that has closed above here, meaning that this level still remains a strong level of resistance, okay? Unless we form a bullish candlestick coming to close above here, then we know that the market now has broken this level. As long as we have the wicks in a daily time frame, we are heading to the downside, okay? This is on 9th January 2024. Guys, I'll record another video. If this market goes in our direction, I'll tell you that this is exactly what I was talking about. Okay, Euro USD, same applies to Euro USD. Right now, Euro USD came to tap into this green level here, which was our order block after breaking this previous low and this low here. Then the market came to tap into this order block here. Of course, this was a liquidity sweep, then a move to the downside, breaking this low and this low. Then what the market did is to come and retest the level, this order block here, because this market made a change of character here, So the market had to come to retest the order block. So from here, Euro USD, guys, we are headed for a bearish momentum, okay? So from here, Euro USD, guys, my target should be this level here, okay? Should be this level here. This is where Euro USD must come to right now. Unless we break this zone here, come to close above this zone, then we might start looking for buying opportunities. But for now, guys, Euro USD is heading to the downside. I don't see any other reason why Euro USD shouldn't be heading to the downside because of what happened here, okay? So Euro USD, we are looking for selling opportunities. And from here, where Euro USD right now should be heading to the downside all the way up to down here, okay? I can't be telling you my techniques I use for entering into a trade, because that's meant for paid mentorship. Then we had we have AUD USD, which is Australian dollar versus American dollar. So right now we have this trend line that is being respected by the market, okay? The market is respecting this trend line here, of which we saw the market coming to close above here, then comes to close below here. So this is another sign that Euro USD, AUD USD must be headed for a bearish momentum as well. So our target should be this level here, okay? This is where it's supposed to come to. That's where I'm looking for. Then let's take a look at German 13. No, this one for now, I don't want to talk about it. Let's take a look at US oil, okay? US oil is also at a very, very important zone right now, which is a weekly time frame, and we can see this is a level of support, and we can see a lot of a lot of dodge candlesticks here, which are bullish, in a bullish momentum. So from here, US oil, I think US oil, we are headed for a long position. So US oil here, we might be heading to the upside. I mean, we are heading for the uptrend. So from here, our next target should be that somewhere there at 97.58. That's where US oil is supposed to be going to, because this level here hasn't been broken, and we had the level liquidity sweep to the downside, the market coming to break the previous low here. That's how we know that this is a change of character. So the market broke this previous low, the previous high. Then the market coming to retest the order block here. So this market is supposed to start moving up because of this level that it has been respecting here. Okay, that's what we expect on US oil. Nasdaq. How many times did I call you? Nasdaq. Several times. So Nasdaq right now is at a very, very important point, which is a supply zone here, okay? So we are looking at Nasdaq. I'm in a buy position already. I'm going to be posting my positions tomorrow. I'm in a buy position already, Nasdaq and US 30, but I'm going to be posting them tomorrow, okay? So from here, US 30 is headed for a uptrend because it has been in an uptrend for a long period of time, okay? But to every move, there must be a retracement, okay? So now we are looking for a retracement that is going to happen after this big move. This was a big move, so we might see a bit of consolidation. Then the market must continue to the upside, okay? So the market must be continuing to the upside. US US 30 is in a bullish momentum as well. So Nasdaq, I'm looking for buying opportunities now because it's been in a bullish momentum. Then we have a trend line here from down here, okay? A trend line passing these ends here. So we might see the market breaking to the upside, coming to retest this trend line again, then continues going up, okay? So this market might be coming to retest this trend line somewhere here at 69,441.8. That's where the market must be retesting our trend line from. So I'll scale down to 1 hour time frame for this one because that's where the details are. Okay, so the details are here. Okay, so this one here in 1 hour time frame, it was bearish like that. Then what did we see? The market breaking the previous high, then continues going up. I think I took my trades from somewhere here yesterday. And then my target for now, for this one, my target should be this high here. Sorry for that, gentlemen. Oh, sorry. So this should be my next target for this one, okay? So that's where my target is for Nasdaq. Of course, I'm at break even. No risk being run by this one. US 30, guys, as we can see already, if you had missed this move here, as I told you guys, that if you don't know liquidity, you will be the liquidity yourself. So we saw the market grabbing out liquidity here, coming to close above here, then here tapping into the order block in a 5 minutes time frame. Go and check for this order block. You see it in a 5 minutes time frame, the market coming to tap into the order block, then a flip to the upside. What do we see? The market has broken this high again. Okay, so the market breaking this high is a pure indication that this market is now in a bullish momentum. Okay, so tomorrow we might see this market, these candlesticks maybe coming all the way up to down here, taking out some more traders from here, then a flip to the upside. So if tomorrow US 30 comes down, please, we are taking a trade from down here, then our stop loss should be just below here. Then our target, we are going for you're going for a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio, okay? A 1 to 7, actually. So this market more must be able to come down all the way up to here, then a flip to the upside. I'm still holding positions for this one, okay? I think I can still show you some of the positions I'm showing. I'm holding for US 30. Yes, US 30, please. I'm holding those positions. I'm holding positions for US 30. Those are profits, as you can see. So we are holding some positions for US 30. Let me try to do this. I don't know if we can be able to see the, okay, let me do this. I think you can be able to see the sniper entry there. Yes, that's US 30. I'm in this trade. So if you're going to watch this video tomorrow, please get into the trade with me and let's hold US 30. So this is the video I wanted to record, guys. It wasn't organized because I just saw it, then I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that every time we post a video, you can receive a notification. Thank you so much for sticking around. This is SAMMY.FX. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Peace.